Hi, we're Hast, and we make pretty epic knives. How? By combining our timeless, award-winning design with premium high-carbon steel from Japan. You need knives that cut clean, smooth, and precise, that slice swiftly through hard vegetables, thick meats, and fish. Most importantly, you need knives that stay optimally sharp all the time. Because when inspiration strikes, you need tools that keep up. Thanks to the excellent hardness of high-carbon steel in our precision-engineered blades, our knives stay sharper for much longer, by 42% when compared to the highest industry standard. And our knives don't just cut the part, but feel the part too. With smooth transitions from handle to blade, our knives are perfectly balanced for effortless cuts. Transform your slicing, cutting, and dicing with bolsterless blades that suit any grip style and leave no gaps for bacteria or food stains. Lightweight, sleek, and ergonomic, they're designed to be dexterous in your hand, so you can always find your rhythm and prep faster. Turn your kitchen into a creative space. With a clean finish and smooth contours, our minimalist design will outlast any trend, and your knives will always be a counter-worthy centerpiece. So whether you're cooking solo or with company, your artist's tools will always be in reach, and you'll feel inspired every time you enter the kitchen. It's time to let go of heavy, bulky, dull knives. Embrace a sharper, tougher, sleeker upgrade and let your talent shine. From midnight snacks to fabulous feasts, make every meal a chance to explore, one satisfying cut at a time. Put a twist on a secret family recipe, become a food TikTok star, and recreate that dish you fell in love with on that life-changing trip. Cook more, savor your favorites, or dive in and create your own masterpiece.
So who are we? We're a team of friends with a passion for cooking. In a world of expensive kitchen tools with outdated design, we wanted to create our own that combined the latest technology with thoughtful design, without costing a small fortune.
2 years ago, we launched our powder steel knives. Loved by chefs, culinary critics, and customers everywhere, they became the go-to for many pros. People loved our knives so much, we even won multiple awards, including a Red Dot Design Award for bridging functionality with timeless aesthetics. Hast premium Japanese steel knives are perfect to elevate your cooking game, because you deserve knives that cut effortlessly, stay sharper for longer, perform like a pro without the high maintenance, and sit beautifully on your counter. Unlock your culinary creativity with Hast knives. Pre-order now for a generous early supporter discount and exclusive Kickstarter offers. With your support, we'll fire up production and make the knives you deserve a reality. Thank you.